Good evening students and welcome back to our science class. So I hope that you are doing your studies well and also taking advantage of this online learning. So students, in the last period we have learned about the 8 body systems. Our body is having 8 types of systems and among them we have seen skeletal system, muscular system, the nervous system, the circulatory systems, the respiratory systems, and now today we are going to study the digestive system. Okay, then reproductive system and excretory system. So students, we are going to see digestive systems, sixth one is digestive system. So students, you know that it is said that the process of digestion begins in our mouth. Why it is said like this? Because we eat our food with the help of mouth, and in our mouth we break down the food into the um, smaller pieces. Then it is passed through the food pipe to our stomach, and in the stomach the food is digested, and then it is the undigested food that is passed out of the body through the anus. So now see, this system helps in the digestion of the food. As per the name, digestive system, this system helps in the digestion of the food, and the food that we eat, it passes through the food pipe. Now see, what is this system is made up of? It is made up of the food pipe. One minute. The food that we eat, the process of digestion begins in our mouth. So first we chew our food into our mouth. Then that food is passed through the food pipe and reaches the stomach. It reaches to the stomach. It goes into the stomach. And after that, enter the intestines. You know we are having intestines, small intestine and big intestine. So this food then present into the stomach, it reaches to the intestine. Here the complex food is break down into the simpler form, and this process is called the digestion. Now see the definition of the digestion. The complex food is break down into the simple form. This process is known as the digestion. So then unwanted food that is passed through the anus out of our body. So like this, these are the parts of the digestive systems. Now next one is reproductive system. Up to now, have you understood this digestive system? Okay, we are moving forward to reproductive system, and that is very easy. Earlier in the first lesson also we have studied about this. Seventh one is reproductive system. So this reproductive systems helps to reproduce the babies, and this is the only system by which the life goes on. The life continues. Understood? So in this reproductive systems, we are having the young ones. Okay. For example, earlier I have told you about that the cat is having kittens. Dog is having puppies, and we the human beings are having the babies. So like this way the life goes on from one person to another person by the process of reproduction. So this is called the reproductive system. And the last one that we are going to study now is the excretory system. Excretory system. Now see students, in this system help us to remove the waste material of our body. This system help us to remove the waste material out of our body. Now see, and that material is toxic material. Toxic means very poisonous or very harmful to us. So that toxic material is removed out of the body with the help of the excretory system. Now it is composed of kidneys. Now see, which are the parts of this excretory system? Kidneys, then ureters, then urinary bladder, then urethra. So these are the parts of the excretory system, and with the help of the systems, our toxic material present inside our body, we get rid of them, or we throw that toxic material out of our body with the help of the excretory system. So I hope you have understood all these systems. First is the skeletal system, that is made up of the bones. Muscular system is made up of the muscles. Nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord and various nerves. Circulatory systems, that circulates the blood to the other parts. Then respiratory systems means we breathe in and we breathe out. That is related to respiratory system. Digestive system, in this system digestion process happens here. With the help of this process we can digest our food. Then reproductive systems means reproducing babies. And then excretory system, with the help of this system we can throw out the toxic material out of our body. So these are the 8 body systems. Now students, you know that why is regular exercise good for your heart? Whenever we are exercise, and that exercise is very much important for our heart. What is the reason behind that? So when you exercise, your heart has to work harder to get the oxygen and to the working muscles, and this makes your hearts very strong. Whenever you do the exercise, at that time your heart has to work harder to get the oxygen and went to the and that oxygen is provided to the muscles, and this makes your heart stronger. So this is the reason behind this. Now students, I have given you worksheet number 1 and also provided you the answers of worksheet number 1. Now on page number 24 there is worksheet number 2. So you have to solve that worksheet number 2, and I am going to provide you the answers of this worksheet number 2. So
Start.
So students, like this here we have completed our lessons. But again I want to revise this lesson. Our body is made up of cells, and cells are the building blocks of our body, as I have told you in the earlier period. When group of cells they come together, they form tissue, and when a group of tissues they come together, they form an organ. And various organs, when they come together, they form an organ system, and when all the organ systems they come together to perform various functions, at that time it is called as organism. And the 8 body systems that we have seen, that is skeletal system, muscular system, then nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, reproductive systems, and last one is the excretory system. So in this way we have completed this lesson. I hope that you have understood this very well. So here I would like to stop, and you have to solve that exercise number 2, question and answers, by yourself, and soon I am going to provide that answers to you. So till then you have to number 2, and I will provide you all the answers. I would like to stop here. Till then you have to enjoy your online learning, enjoy your learning, and once again I want to tell you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.